Okay, there's a Rua da Escola Nautica, which is this one right here, and we're gonna walk down that way. I'm not sure exactly which way we're gonna what's the name of that street, but we'll find out in a minute. But it's kind of near these shipping yards as well. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's a nice shipping yards right here. So you got all this freight stuff right here, and we're right by Rua da Escola Nautica. And I think that's the school right there, that blue and pink building. So we're gonna be, could walk down that way, but I kind of want to explore this little Rua da Escola Nautica right there. Let's kind of go in a little bit. I think this is a pet store, I think. And we're just gonna walk around a little bit. Rua da Escola Nautica. Mechanics. Kind of heavy machinery. And then in this area you have all these little things too. They're like little businesses with apartments all the way up, and it goes like that all the way down. So we're gonna kind of show you this example. Then we're gonna keep on going down, and we'll see some more as well. Then you also have there's some good artwork that's kind of covered up at the moment. I think we'll see some of it down that way. Yeah, very industrial area, as you can see. And here's another one. So you got some stuff like cafes, apartments. Oh, these are apartments up here, stuff like that. Laundry. There's some artwork up here. Rua da Escola Nautica. Scola is school. Nautica is like ocean stuff. There's some workers on the docks right over there. Macau, Hong Kong, Terminal de Contentores. Contents from Macau, Hong Kong? I don't know. Hot and got some C plus food. Interesting. Okay, so you got some more restaurants here, more apartments. Let's keep on checking out more of this. And there's our kind of cool artwork there. Yeah, the first building was the nautical school of so that's the end part, and then so maybe we'll just walk down one of these. This is good. Oh, that's really bright orange. Taipa order shop. Custom garage, Macau custom garage. It's kind of cool. Famous hair salon. It's really kind of raining now. Got some cover straight ahead, so we'll head straight that way. And we got it. So now we can see the main street right here. Oh. Big 2 times 1 room. Big 3 times 1 room. First floor. Kind of curious what that's all about. Okay. So we're kind of caught in the rain. This is the end of this building. Then you can still see they got all the stuff there. So this is kind of a main road right here. So maybe what we'll do, oh, those license plates are connected to this one. So there's all these cars. So we'll do, maybe we'll just walk towards that school. Now it's really starting to rain now. And that way, since the street is named after the school, you might as well see the school. But I think in the rain we won't be able to see too much of it, but we'll at least walk that way. And you kind of get an idea of what this looks like as well. Gotta look at all that rain. Rainy day. Looks like a nice place. Got some nice artwork there too. Okay, we're just gonna walk a little bit further. Oh, the rain's really coming down now. Mechanic shop. Cafe THS. It's nice too. Batteries died. So this is called Casa de Porco Preto. And actually they put this, there's a typhoon that came a couple of days ago, so they put these typhoon guards. These are like storm surge guards. So in case the water comes in. It looks like a pretty nice, got like lots of pretty big wine selection, and I heard it's a really amazing restaurant, really good food. Let's see, Casa de Porco Preto. Kind of go through this so you can kind of read about this a little bit. Okay, but this is going to be the end of it. Battery died right at the wrong spot, but that's the school, the Nautica school. So let's just take a look real quick. Escola de pilot. I guess it's a pilot of a ship, I guess. So that's the that's where we're going to conclude. So we're back at Rua da Escola Nautica, the nautical school, and I guess they train sea captains, I guess, maybe? I guess that's what that means. And we're gonna be right back here at the beginning again, so another little corner of Macau. Hope that's interesting to everybody. And right at the end here we have the shipyards. So they do some shipping along this back street here. Pretty cool. Then we'll just end it right in this space. There we go. Kind of cool. Toma cuidado la